An avalanche bulletin is currently in effect for the Claws of the Clouds mountain range effective until 5:30 a.m. on September 1st. Your attention please, there is an ongoing terrorist threat for areas within a 5-kilometer radius of Jade Mountain. A bomb of unknown yield has exploded inside the Jade Mountain Academy. Casualty counts are unknown at this time. It is unknown whether any sort of chemical was released from this bomb. Due to lack of information about this attack, if you are within 5 kilometers of Jade Mountain, please evacuate immediately. It is unknown at this time if subsequent attacks will occur. Please stay tuned to internet, television, or radio sources for more information as it becomes available. Your attention please, a manhunt is currently underway in areas in proximity to Jade Mountain for possible suspects in the recent terrorist bombing of Jade Mountain Academy. If you have any information about a possible suspect in this attack, please report it to local authorities right away. In addition, it has been discovered that no chemicals or any contaminants have been released from this attack. However, those who evacuated are advised to not return home as law enforcement agencies are searching the area at this time. Police have set up a perimeter within a 10-kilometer radius of Jade Mountain. This is to prevent potential suspects fleeing the area. No one will be allowed to enter and exit this radius until the all clear is given. This is an all-clear message for the Jade Mountain listening area. One suspect has been detained and is now in police custody. It is believed that the suspect is aligned with a militant group backing former Queen Scarlet of the Skywings. A full motive for this attack is unknown, however, the suspect is being taken in for further questioning.